And my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xeno, so we're back with another reaction, man. Today we're here with another caught on Ring doorbell, and this is called Beverly Hills, California Gone Wild. If you guys enjoy it, as always, drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know which one to start the next. And without further ado, let's get it. Oh shit,
bro,
there is no fucking way. Oh, it's lagging. They really got a whole safe. Another one?
Damn.
What the fuck? Well, I know what they're gonna be doing for the next 2 days. Trying to crack those motherfuckers open.
Yeah, there's some pretty easy ones to crack.
Yeah, I mean, if you know what you're doing, for
yeah.
sure.
By. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I think.
The fuck? They're selling those 2 trucks right there. Look at that. That was it? What the fuck was that?
I don't know. There was like shooting ongoing in the background.
Nah, it was there was like construction or something.
Huh.
Man, who the fuck is this? Peeking through all the fucking
I don't know, but
windows.
those doors have bars to protect the windows.
Alright. Bro, some motherfuckers just don't give a fuck.
Huh? Oh,
that
taking
just
the
to seal packages, bro. Yeah.
Literally, bro.
God damn, bro. You're dumber than shit.
I'm lucky the owners didn't come out with it, like the owner sign.
Right.
I'm just being a drunk asshole.
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that, and then the motherfucker smacks the shit. What the fuck? Hell no.
My bad, compadre.
Yeah. Oh, there's someone over there in the back too.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's cracked out, bro. You tell right away what the fuck is.
He's about to fall. I just noticed he has a lighter in his mouth.
Yeah. Bro, imagine seeing your house being like raided by motherfuckers.
It looks like they just
bro.
moved in because there's like nothing there.
But I say it's pretty empty.
Literally just a bed. Well, if they just moved in, that kind of sucks. They already got robbed.
Y'all need some better security. That's crazy. And it's funny, they're leaving their fucking handprints everywhere, bro. Oh, they're wearing gloves, I think. There's no way you're gonna go all the way up there to try to get in the house. God damn, I would hate living in this
I was
bitch.
about to say, who the hell living in here, bro?
Man, bringing groceries up there, bro. Or like a new couch or something. Yeah, you got me
TV,
fucked
bed,
up.
bro.
You gotta pray to God you don't fall.
Furniture.
Fuck's he doing?
I don't know, but he already looked at the camera.
We saw your fucking face,
And
you
he looked at
fucking
it again.
moron.
What's this guy doing, bro? Ain't no way, bro.
You gonna take down the camera or what?
Nah, because he could already reach it from down there. Unless he's trying to cut like the wire or something. I don't know, he's going into the roof.
There must be a window up
Or I'm
there.
about to say, right, it must be open from the top and he can just slide in through.
Bro, there's no fucking way.
Damn. They left their car unlocked.
I mean, it's on too, so they left the fucking keys. Or either he got the keys.
Oh, true. I mean, yeah, because it would have made noise and everything.
Yeah. There is no fucking way.
Damn, and it's a Jeep too, bro.
No, that's
Nobody says no Jeep, no.
it's a. Oh, I don't want to get the name wrong. I forgot. It was in my head.
Nah, he didn't have the keys. He would have taken the. Well, naturally, nah. You could find them pretty easy.
Hello? I don't know if you can see this. I think they're there, right? Isn't that what the red means? We just watched a hit and run in front of your house. We don't know if that's your car. We don't know if it's your car.
Oh.
We have the license plate of the person who hit your car and a general picture. It's very blurry of the person.
A general description of the guy too. He left. Like he's gone.
The first time I heard some good news. Well, not really good news if that's his car that got hit.
That's true.
But I'm saying like actual good people. You know what I'm saying? Like, shout out to these people, bro.
They got the license plate and the description of the dude.
The person and shit.
Yeah.
Oh, the JK.
Alright, motherfucker. I hope you ate shit. Sounds like you fell.
Hey, get the hell out of there, bro.
Fuck.
I don't know, but they're kind of dumb.
Did they
I
see the
mean,
cops or something?
that, or there was someone there, like, you know,
Yeah.
some random people. But they're dumb because they just made themselves more, like,
Right?
suspicious.
They ain't about to steal the whole toolbox, bro. There's no fucking
Hella
way.
money right there. Tools be expensive.
Real shit. But
Nah. I wonder if people do that actually, like construction, like when the people aren't paying attention or like lunch break or whatever. They
Oh,
just
yeah.
leave the tools there. They just get finesse thing.
I mean,
stroller,
right?
bro?
There's no way, bro. What are you gonna steal?
Oh,
Fucking diapers, bro?
I'm gonna say no with this.
A bag? All that for a fucking bag?
Unless that's her purse, but I mean, why would she leave it outside?
That's what I'm saying. It probably just has like diapers and shit.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright, yeah, he's drunk.
Using a lighter to light up what's
I
inside.
say, what the fuck are you doing? This guy's a retard. Holy shit.
What is it, like groceries?
Probably like, I don't get it. Like, are people just gone all day or some shit?
Nah, people like order stuff like Uber and stuff like that.
Yeah, but that's like in the middle of the night. Like, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
well, maybe the owner doesn't get home until like.
Damn, look at these people, bro. Broad daylight too. Look at them, bro.
I mean,
They don't give a fuck.
It's kind of better during broad daylight because there's no one in the streets. They're all at work. And then people don't be checking their phone because they're at work. You just stealing everything.
He's acting like he. Oh. Bro, there's no fucking way.
Damn, I don't know if I'll be able to trust that because, I mean, they just leave your packages there.
Right? Look at these motherfuckers, bro. Going through people's mail. That's crazy, bro. Like, I wonder what they expect to get off that shit. They still gonna need your information to get whatever they
Yeah.
want.
Yep.
It's not fucking Halloween, motherfuckers.
Alright.
Oh my god. He almost ate shit. That would have been perfect. This camera angle's trash.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, no, you just need to get some light, I
about to
guess.
say. The fuck? He's a fucking professional pick locker and shit. Oh, guys, this old kid in there.
It works as a locksmith or whatever they're
Yeah.
called.
That's crazy.
I feel like locksmithing is a pretty cool job, though.
Yeah, I seen a TikToker, dude, that he does that for cars and shit or like houses. He has his whole kit,
Yeah.
Bro, bro goes in there and opens
Yeah, they
everything
like know
so
the
fucking
angles and
quick,
shit,
bro.
and I'm just
I'm
like,
like,
bruh.
what? Nah, that's a fucking violation. He's spray painting his car, bro. You're a fucking dickhead. This gotta be somebody you know, bro.
Yeah. He just
Somebody
dropped his
that's hating on you. That's crazy.
Oh.
What the fuck?
phone. Alright, bruh. Couldn't go around?
Nah, he wanted to feel that. He wanted to feel like he went through fucking Narnia and shit. That's crazy. Alright, well, this one's not like the other ones where the dude's talking in the background, giving a little, like, a background and shit. I like those better. These are cool and all, but they're just, like, very...
They're too quiet.
Yeah, they're too quiet and shit.
And the other guy gives you some information.
That's what I'm saying. Like, the other one gives you the information, like, the house owner, what they said and everything. I like that. But, I mean, these are so entertaining to see, like, how there's people out there and shit that really don't give a fuck. And you know what's crazy, bro? I ordered something and it still hasn't gotten here. So, I might have gotten finessed. Fuck, I don't have a doorbell camera yet.
That's what we need one, bro.
Alright. But that's going to be the end of that. If y'all did enjoy, drop a like, subscribe. And until next time, peace out.